This is my 2008 Chevy Avalanche. This is the chalkiness that you always see on the roof and on the plastic trim. And this is Dillo. I have a little puddle of it over here. As you can see, this is all shiny where I already did, but this is just an example here of before and after. So, just rub it in slowly, circular motion, make sure it gets into all the creases. And when you're done, you wipe this off with a damp rag. And it rained all night last night, and this is my after over here. It's beautiful, shiny, glossy, deep black color. And they say it's supposed to last about 3 to 6 months. So, let's see if I can get a good before and after there. Huge difference. Huge difference.